Hello everyone and good evening. JR with Secure Metals. Today is Monday, the 11th day of November, 2013. It is 11:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wanted to bring this technical analysis out to everyone. I think this is a very special time in the precious metals market. Building a lot of technical, very technical. The market is getting extremely technical. And at this point, we need to see if the buyers are going to come and pay attention to these technicals. So this is your daily chart. Currently, we have a bullish divergence where you had your bottom here, and so did the stochastics. You have a line moving down here, and you have a line moving up here. Currently, the prices are at 1279. I do expect the prices to test at least this level here, test this line, 1268. And technically speaking, it looks very, very, very sound. The market has had some attempts to move higher. We saw this attempt here recover from the June low. We made a head and shoulders, what looked to be a head and shoulders formation. And in fact, we did fall below the neckline, but of course, it turned out to be a false breakdown. Market moved up, made an attempt to go higher, and was held back by this trend line, which held it back in August. So as long as we don't fall below the 1250 zone here, technically the market looks very sound. You have a bullish signal here. Okay, we're below the 20-day moving. We're below all major moving averages, which is not positive, but in the same respects, they are all neutral. So we do expect a test, or at least I do. I expect this market to hold here, and at that point, what we need to do is we need to see if we can move higher than 360. If we can move higher than 360, I think it will confirm a very nice bull market. And I would expect this line, let's see if we can come up with a match. Yeah, so I would expect prices to continue to go higher and possibly test this. Obviously, after we surpass the 360 zone, we would look to continue to create higher highs from in this giant tunnel. So again, it could be a multi-month and multi-week rally, but again, this level does have to hold. 1250 has to hold. We don't want it to fall below 1250. The signals are there, the bullish signals are there, so we just need this thing to play out. On the weekly chart, the same. The stochastics are beginning to fall, but that's fairly neutral. The 20-day moving average is still slightly curving, or at least pointing to what seems to be 3 or 2 o'clock. So again, that's flat. And I mean, again, the market just at this point, it looks like we are moving sideways. So we had a big move to the downside. We have some sideways action here. This is what we have. And this is the range. So from here, we do expect this to bounce up, test this 1360. If it surpasses this 1360, I think it's going to be a wrap, and I think this thing is going to continue to go much higher. Of course, we do have to pass this 1433 level, but I expect it to so long as these levels hold. So important level here: 1272, 1270, 1250. We don't want to fall below, and of course, the 1260. The 1360. We want to go over higher than that. We want to surpass this level here. Let's look at silver briefly. Silver, again, extremely technical. Another bullish divergence here where you have this going up and you have this going down. I mean, any way you look at it, this thing is going down. So again, very technically sound. Testing the 60% Fibonacci retracement. Remember what I said before. If this 61% Fibonacci retracement holds, which I think that's the case for gold also. I didn't put a fib level here. Excuse the microphone. but I don't have my microphone plugged in, so I'm using the default microphone. And so again, 61% fib level here at 1279. Again, it could fall down a bit below the 61%. It doesn't have to be exact. And of course, let's go back to silver. 1285, that's your fib level here, 61%. This needs to hold. We do not want to create another low. We don't want to fall below 1250. So again, the technicals are there. We seem to have some momentum, and currently it looks like we're building up to something. I don't know if it's going to be to the upside or to the downside, but I do expect it to the upside. Now, I also wanted to mention here this the dollar chart here. So again, remember how I mentioned on the silver chart where you had that price gap, and silver was able to fill that price gap. I believe it was at 2060, and this dollar chart does suggest that the price gap has been filled. So that's good. Stochastics are on the overbought side on the dollar, and it does look like the dollar's most likely going to continue its downtrend. And I mean, this is a big downtrend here. Now that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to point out those technicals, beautiful technicals. Very excited, and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.